As you can see, I ripped off a portion of my 95 Capri Bayliner. We had a soft spot approximately right there from people jumping in and out of the boat. So I started changing the whole entire floor. I decided just to change a portion off of it. I already varnished or stained a 1/2 inch of plywood that I bought at Home Depot. I left about 3/4 of an inch. If I could just lip it right there, if I could just slide in, and I'm just gonna get creative to do that little portion there. But this is how it looks right now, and that's the plywood varnished. Make it a little bit more water resistance.